In this video, I will show you 3 different ways how you can hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A04 as well as A05 and A15. So I will show you 3 different ways. First, let's start if you got full access to the settings and everything is working. Then also later in the video I will cover how to do it if it's faulty or it's security locked with pin or pattern or any other way. So first let's go to settings here and scroll all the way down till we see a general management here basically. Click on that and then scroll down till you see reset option. And here you can choose from different types of reset options. If you want only reset maybe some individual settings. If you want do a full hard reset, click this. So this will delete all your accounts, all your data, all your pictures, videos and stuff like that. All basically it will be a brand new phone. So if you want to maybe sell this phone, this is how I do it. So click reset to do that. So what if something is actually wrong with your phone and you can't get access to those settings? Then make sure your phone is turned off and we're going to click the volume up button and the power button at the same time and keep holding them basically. Okay, click both and hold up and power and hold. Keep holding and we get access to the recovery menu basically now, and we can cycle down using the volume down and volume up buttons. So click wipe data factory reset and select it with power button. Okay, cycle again to factory data reset and click with power button to do that. Okay, what if your phone is security locked with a pin, pattern or password or whatever really. So if we try to turn it off and get in the menu, we can't really even do that. So that's kind of stupid. Anyway, the way we do it is by actually first force restarting this phone, and we can do it by pressing the volume down button and the power button at the same time and holding them basically. So power and volume down and keep holding, ignore this and keep holding basically. Take a few seconds. Then as it will turn off, on, we are going to quickly switch to holding power button and volume up button. So keep holding and yeah, we were able to get in the same menu again. When make sure you check out my video carefully to determine at which step you need to basically switch from holding the power and volume down to power and up button. Okay, again we can select the wipe data factory reset and basically make our phone brand new again and bypass all the security on it. So if it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.